Welcome back to the crazy crypto markets. Volatility has shown its teeth big time this week for the markets. Today is December 16th. We're looking at Aleph Zero, ticker symbol AZERO USDT. This is Aleph/Tether. Daily chart, tradingview.com is the software. What's going on here with Aleph? Couple things. Let me get a pointer here on the chart. So if you've been following along with the past couple videos, mentioned that I have an upper target up here at $1.0680. 106.80. Aleph got very, very close to that target before reversing and pulling back with the rest of the heavy weighted market. A lot of weight on the shoulders of the market right now, it seems. On the 14th of December, Aleph hit a high of $1.0622. 106.22. My price target for Aleph to the upside, my first price target was 106.80. 106.80, this yellow line here on the chart. Got very, very close before pulling back. Let me show you on a 3-minute chart. Let's see here. Let's zoom out a bit. And here is Aleph on that rally up to our price target. Very, very close. Didn't quite hit it before pulling back. If you've been following the other videos on the channel, lines above the market act as targets and short-term resistance. Lines below the market act as the price approaches them as targets and as support. So this was a target above the market, so it is resistance for a period of time until broken and turned into support. So we got very close there to that target. Aleph is pulling back. Obviously, it's up a little bit today. It was up quite a bit more. It looks like it was up another 3%, 2.5% today, Friday the 16th. So we have some levels below the market, depending on how far Aleph wants to pull back here. So far, we are on a pretty severe decline, at least for 2 days now, in the stock market. We'll see if Bitcoin has a failed breakout. I have to check the chart. Looks like it's getting very close, that is. Below the market for Aleph, I have a 89.74 level as a target one for potential support. If those who run the market decide to push the price that low, anyways, about an 8.5% move lower. So that would be 89.74, and then we have one much lower than that at 83.10. 83.10 down in this level. The 89.74 level doesn't mean it'll get hit, but as the price approaches, I would expect some support to show up there. Also correlates with this area over here, which was prior resistance. So it actually got tested over here on the 8th of December. And if it happens to come into play again, we could see support there at 89.74. And then, like I said, if they really push the market down, 83.10 is the next level I have on my chart. Still above the resistance line, this white line here, that was broken on the 2nd of December. But as I have mentioned, overhead targets, 106.80 was a overhead target / resistance. And then usually we'll get some kind of a reaction in the opposite trend. So as the price approached our upper target, got very close, the price will have a reaction in the opposite way, which would be to the downside. The thing is, we just don't know how far or how long that'll go. The only thing I can do is look for price to hit my next support under the market before expecting a bounce. But of course, we could bounce anywhere in between here. Aleph is one of the only assets right now on my watch list that is actually in the green. So we will see. So the only thing I have right now is $1.06 to the upside, and then below the market is 89.74. And everything in between right now, kind of no man's land. So we'll have to see how far this pullback goes. From the breakout point, which is basically above this line here, this resistance line, currently up about 7%, slightly less. But of course, that will change if the price continues to head lower. So far, just following suit with the rest of the market, actually outperforming the market, holding up quite well as the markets are looking pretty heavy right now. So on my chart, $1.0680 above the market, 89.74 below the market. Below the market is potential support. Above the market is resistance until broken to the upside. So that is my thoughts here on Aleph Zero. Go ahead, share your thoughts down in the comments. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it, guys. And we'll have to see how this Friday goes. Do we have a reversal today back to the upside? Or do they crush the market into the weekend? Time will tell. 4:45 in the morning here. Got a long day ahead of us here for the markets. And that's pretty much it. All right, guys, take care.